everything.
Oh, you're videoing it?
So blurry. Thank you. Reagan, do you like it?
It's gonna give me nightmares.
Reagan, do you like it?
Nothing.
The black fan things right there. See the black thing up there? There's like 1, 2, there's like 4 or 6 of them.
Let it snow.
Any minute. It snowed last night right around 8:15.
I want him to, when we're talking about snow, when it starts snowing,
I agree.
like they need to do it more too. After this, we're gonna talk about it,
Here comes the snow.
stand under it.
It's snowing, baby bear.
It's cold. What the hell?
It is?
It's actually fall.
Let me move my coat.
It's fall, Mom. Mom, it's fall. Look.
It is?
Yeah, it dissolves on you and everything. It's fall.
It's actual snow.
Fight me.
It's snow.
It's fall.
It's snowing, Reggie!
It's actually cold. No. Say it loud, please. You're ruining a bunch of little kids' dreams.
Yeah, stop, Caitlin. Grinch.
She got close to me like Grinch. You're like Grinch.
Or what, honey? Thank you, love it.
I bet. Perfect for how amazing is
Hey,
this?
it's snowing in here. Oh, here, look. That's so amazing. Yeah.
We're in like traffic.
Oh, here, look. Going?
What is it?
Little foam bubbles.
Reagan loves it. Oh, bless her heart. She loves it. I sound like Stephanie. Bless her heart.
Sound like Heather from Taylor.
Reagan, how cool is this?
Get it, Mr. Bear.
So can we go play putt-putt now?
Look behind you, honey. It's going hot.
I was just standing in it. Can I go in there?
Yeah.
No, you can't. You have to reserve it by donating money to eat dinner.
You can guess how many peeps are on it too.
Where? On the entire
It's actually kind of cold.
You want to go back through it?
The snow feels
Got
cold.
snow on you. Look at it. Look, it's on me. Get it. Right here. Soap?
Let's go play putt-putt, please. What the heck? Look at your hair.
It's so much snow in your guys' hair.
Not real
Oh,
snow.
Maggie wants to go putt-putt.
Okay.
Yeah!
Woo!
No. Can we go play putt-putt, please?
Are we doing story time?
Well, if Reagan wants to, I think we should. Or do you want to go do go?
Where's the wolf? Wolf's really him.
Dad, let me behind you.
Very good. This is Violet the Wolf. Can everyone say hi, Violet?
Hi, Violet.
Look at all the friends that came to see you. You guys came to see Violet, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Well, Violet has a few rules she wants me to tell you guys. You guys want to hear her rules?
Yeah.
Yeah. Her first rule is nobody touches Violet until after. Okay? Okay. Very good. Because Violet's second rule is she wants you guys to be super duper loud. Can you guys be super duper loud? Very good. Because we're going to do her favorite thing. Do you know what Violet's favorite thing is?
Logan.
No.
Barky.
It's the wolf stomp, of course. Have you guys ever done the wolf stomp before?
Oh, can you stomp?
No? We're going to have to show them, Violet, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Stomp, stomp, clap, clap. Ow! Are you guys ready? On your feet. All right, Violet, are you ready? On the count of 3, everybody. 1, 2, 3. Stomp, stomp, clap, clap. Ow! What'd you think, Violet? So? Think they could be louder? Can you guys be louder? Yeah! On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Stop, 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 stop.
Did Reagan do it?
How about that, Violet? That was great, everybody. Go ahead and take a seat.
I wonder if Mrs.
Very
Corkins
good.
here.
So, Violet and I went shopping today. Do you guys want to see what
She
we
wants
bought?
to take a seat.
Well,
Oh,
she
you
can.
can see what we
Sit right
bought?
here, honey.
Sit. I'll sit with you.
We bought this